Hello everybody. So today we're going to talk about email templates in Klaviyo. So first thing we got to do is click on content right here and click on templates. Now from here you can choose a pre-made template or you can create your own. So we're just going to click on this one, for example, and click on use template. Now from here you can just edit everything, including the colors, the photos used, even the texts, and you can also add a quote, you can add a video, you can put an HTML, you can add a button. After that, after editing, just click on preview and test. Then after that, click on save and you're done. Thanks for watching.